asem a ekoso e Ghana memu ha say ene ni month ne so ale de beso na chese kokota kakra ya kopeke osemufo akosisem mu no wansa say yibia mu efrim no ade ama me say me fa besom Ghana for ana me so me de besom mo e Attention TV so ya can say on Facebook and YouTube as Attention TV Judge. And it's okay, share, comment, and also like. Don't forget to also press on the notification bar to be the first to also get our videos. And then sema go and apparently be on also any Ghana or Ghana member seba or no sudi nejuma outside Ghana way and no sudi video be able to abonte and which match say. Come here 26th August fixed Agradaa demonstration across one. Yanka say Reverend Owusu Bempah etai echirebi efrise se ye hwe won a na wodi demonstration no anima nkofo we ni na akwaye nkrofo bi a yanka say na wo ye adwuma edima Agradaa na wo kan Agradaa ho se omuntimi kra e ma abonten be ka se omundi Agradaa wan city mpo eda na we na evidence and ma ede fix Agradaa demonstration ni na ede e bai osanso chire mu se e kam yakwaye se demonstration no e ho any faso na onka bi emfa mama me Agradaa efise se obi eye ni sika gawi na nso weni brade na wokọ ho a eno ana be chove se Ghana fa bebre wo Ghana memu ha se ya omo ankwaje ma me Agradaa sika gawi ebi na so da so ete wo hie mu ene wo sika mu abrante e kasa bebre bakọ ne yakotie no e de aba na so ansa na ma menka wo se eye University Foundation ana asema sna me di jimedi ebe so mo e Attention TV so the number ene 0548302985
obetumi atage eye Tanda TV obetumi atage Agradaa obetumi atage omomo ben Apostle Dr. Reverend Owusu Bempah ene mpanifo bi asofo bi a ofo se enkoma ebedi mi pese omotinyom ba komienu miensa bi na yeni na ye fa ye ho adwene na ehu ade nti a ye se yesum yakopon nti I will indulge you, I will beg you, beloved, wherever you are watching me from, I would love you to share this broadcast or tag people that are mentioning their name. Reverend Dr. Owusu Bempah, Evangelist Patricia Odro Quantin, Mama Pat, you tag Nana Brown, you tag those bloggers, Adwene Pahene, and Sanyoman. Munimo share she on platform so mame. Edru bibia, we need to be wise. We need to open our eyes. Edru bibia, we need to learn wisdom. Edru bibia, we need to speak. We beka say asem we di enfame ho. Asem we di say eyomwa no manyo masem. Yesi hu se onyon kwabodwe say ehye. Na wan sensu nsi wudi ho a. Ejane trea na beto wudi ni mu a unya kwan endum no. This issue is been going on for some time now, and I think it's appropriate and it's time we need to dissect it and talk about it, how it is, because it's getting out of hands. It's really getting out of hands. Yentia meka samon target eye Papa Owusu Bempah mama said, Papa Owusu Bempah yourself will be see much. There are young pastors that will train your mom. We call him Papa. We call him Father because we see him as a father figure. We see him as a leader. We see him as somebody who is nurturing people in the body of Christ. But my question back me person me de call Emma Papa anaju say am person ne etete no ene ne ekoso no sabiota frache ne hu bon mu bi ana say otechire na oya. Question is say how long with our father no obejai sanyoma we, because Father, you are not getting younger, you are growing. Unyi inti ampase oni mami enya bantal enya misunderstanding enya ntokwa bi ena yeye sanyoma we na for how long? My problem is for how long? Ena sadi we be koso because Papa o ma ebiti se me o ma omanyi Papa baby wabo abrabo abedu no. You have a church, you have people who called you Father, you have people who honored you. Anything adding that they be my home kwan na ya betra social media so na ya toto ayampia e de ma ye ho na we catch we na we catch we na we catch we. I think sir, it is not helping. And as youth pastors, as the upcoming ones, e de na mo de kire yen na mo de kire ni say upese oye relevant ana upese nkofo te nka. It is one we be intro ana two we be din krofatem. That proves say o sum nyame ana o ye sofo. Are you wrong? So much demonstration ya ne ma me sofwe ka se o ye tia eye Patricia Odro Kranten ayi na enim so de former Agradaa no me be kam me be ekro etwem se eye baseless, it's senseless, it doesn't make sense. Na me na me hu ne e wo video no mu ntia ma ba life am be kasa ne say a shock me pan say we had a police, look at the number of police and the omko jina ko bo nkofo kakre hu ban onya asem kwa na ko police station na police ni di wo cha kwachi nipa yes police ni wo onya asem na wako police station na ko police ni say obi aya me senti police ni di mechi na me ko hwe nipa ya be ka cho so obi ani wo. And so now look at the number of people who went there. Some ko bon krofo hu ban. Is that the country we are building for? Me question back when baby say and say maami ya mo sorry say mo kwan demonstration tia no etumi asesa ekom na nipa ekum no etumi change bibi wo economy ni ma na mo am ka se Agradaa ayesika gari ani nti no mo kwa demonstration tia no metietie enkrofo ni bi kasa mo kaaye na ohwe enkrofo na almost about 2 people bi wo ma and 3 people bi wo ma sabi tafra champion ko ma they were licking the butt of Agradaa. They were licking the butt of Agradaa. And as I say, Agradaa company, you know, they think that they have no people to support them. Until they need the sympathy of Ghanaians to support them to fight the woman. Some fool say, Agradaa yam boni bilam pesamo fighting her. Why don't you fight the woman individually? And you are come to destroy the woman to Ghanaians. Obi anim sa Agradaa na yakronfo. Sabi yan sofo kra ye wo ho no. Ade na sofo bebrebe TV stations. Asofo bebrebe TV stations. Ask yourself why. Obetrani TV station wa ena mi wonku we bra na mi fama na fako dware. Mi wo spring we bra na mi fama na fako dware. Ubehu mi am yesunsum nyoma de amaw. Na me yesunsum nyoma ma wa. Enyoma bi esisi wa kwan financial breakthrough. Aware marital door opeba. Nkofo ni bo de ro no obeforso wo dem and obeforso wo fie se froka na fa bra ma so ye wo. O kire wo kwan ena wo koye. Nti na wo kokoye wo bia no your own decision. You were in your right senses. You were in your right senses. Yentie ni yo. Ena wo course asofo kro no wo. Ena asofo no cotton oil de ma wo. So ogbu anwa ena de ma wo. So inkuto no de ma wo. You can't go to the police station and report say sofo na ma me ngo o ma me anwa because when ni bria de nti no a won pese obeye djuma de nti no you ended up in his or her trap. Agada na muso oye sika gari no oba ofi bebo odam hu say gold hwe odam wo ana sika hwe odam nti no fabre me ana say one na ode wo pe aduadue mu a ko hu say obi wo ha ye frɛ no Agradaa no tumi ye sika gari nti no me ko frɛ na ba metie one woman bin so a the woman was saying say woman make statement say ne ma me gold bi o jama no okwa Agradaa na Agradaa je ne 1000 Ghana cedis. And Agradaa Sankachen said on some for 4,000 mra. And that is where she realized said, oh Nisika, have you seen how stupid she is? And in this case, Nikwano, Ankasa police for Ankasa Chisama Mano at the cells. Because any greed. Anka Adintin of say, oh Kwako Jessica Gari and Alco J drew Edia Kotuma Migo or the amount. This shows say Nipana Kasano or ye greedy. Into Kwena America Kukuni Pafabra. Kopeni pa moja fabra akaba ko enu sumase umbe kanchiro bia but ukoye na ade na anye yedie you are come to look for the sympathy of Ghanaians ya adwene ye ho hawa ye be survive na your family a survive na kro no benya ahoto no mo de samo nonsense demonstration we disturb nipa
Abusi abrante wodi ne djuma e wo outside Ghana ono nso de nsema beto dwa e de afa fix Agradaa demonstration akoso awie no ene ho nchemu ana e de abeso mo e wo attention TV so ye ba moni hwa monitor chance to come your way.